Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello fam, it's me Stacy here again to show you guys what I'm going to be doing on this tutorial today. So guys, as you can see, I have my beads all prepared here for my client. For today's client, I'm going to be making a traditional okuku for her, which is beaded hair. So I'm going to be making it for her today for a traditional marriage. Okay guys, so here I have my makeup and all that, all the things that will be needed to create this amazing look today. So guys, stay tuned. This is her dress. Guys, this client, she was really fun to work with. She made everything very easy for me. So, and I'm very grateful. In fact, I'm very I was so I don't know how to even explain it, guys. It was really nice working with her. So, you know, there are some clients that when you actually go out to work with some clients, you just feel like, oh God, yeah, but it's okay. I love all my clients and they are all amazing. So, here is my beautiful client. I'm done making a beaded hair, like I said earlier. So, I'm just going to dive right in to start the makeup tutorial. So guys, stay tuned, don't go anywhere, just watch out to see the kind of look I'm going to be creating for her. And please, if you know you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that red subscribe button to join this amazing family. If you're a fan of makeup, if you love makeup, if you want to do personal, professional, whatever, you can actually learn one or two things from makeup. You know, makeup is something that you just keep learning every day. You know, it's not something that you say you are perfect. Even if you are a professional, you still keep on learning new things. So even as a beginner, you can also learn one or two things from this makeup. And even if you are also a makeup artist, you are a professional, you can also learn some colors from my videos. When I also watch other people's videos, I also learn, like I get inspired. I see some look like eyeshadows, some lipsticks and all that, then I actually apply it when I'm doing work for my client or for myself. So guys, that is it. Please don't forget to drop your comments. If you love this makeup, if you love the beaded hair, just drop your comment and tell me what you love about this look. Okay, I will see you all and I love you guys so much. Thanks for the support. You guys are all amazing. So I will see you all later. Bye bye. So guys, now I'm done filling the brows, so I'm just using my concealer to conceal the brows. Okay, so the next step, I'm just going in with a fluffy brush to blend in all the concealer, all the excess concealer I have there. Okay, so the next step is I'm just applying my eyeshadow base. So basically I'm using my finger to blend in the eyeshadow base. You can actually use your brush. Sometimes I use brush, sometimes I use my finger, then just go in with a small fluffy brush to kind of blend the eyeshadow base like what I just did now. So for my eyeshadow today guys, I'm going to be using 3 shades of eyeshadow. So for the inner corner, I'm going to be using a yellow matte eyeshadow. In fact, all the eyeshadows I'm going to be using today, they are all matte. Okay, so first I will go in like what I'm doing right now. I'm using a yellow eyeshadow. Then for the middle, I'm going to go in with orange color, which I'm just applying right now. So I'm using orange color. Then for my outer corner, I'm going to be using kind of brown color, not really like brown, but just brown and in between brown and kind of dark purple. So that's what I'm going to be using for the outer corner guys. So the next step guys, I'm just going to, before applying the brown color, then I just used the brush again to blend in that first color I used before, which is the yellow. Okay, so you don't want that kind of line to be showing in your eyeshadow, so it's going to make it look really messy. So after you are done, like when you do the first inner corner of your eyeshadow, you do the middle, you have to go back again to blend in that inner corner to mix with that middle eyeshadow before you actually go in to do the outer corner, or else you just have that two kind of to look like, especially with this kind of shadow, you don't want it to look like German flag, like just going to be separated. So all you need is to kind of blend it so that that line will not be showing. So that is basically the techniques that you use when you are applying your eyeshadow. You can see the eyeshadow is really looking nice and it's not showing any line between the yellow and the orange. Okay guys, so next step, I'm done actually applying the eyeliner. In fact guys, this wing liner, I love it so much, and because of the kind of face of my clients, the liner was really good and it was just nice on her. So I'm done applying the first lashes. So that is it guys. So the next step, I'm just going to move right to do the lips. Okay, I'll see you all later. Bye bye. So guys, this is the end of the tutorial, and if you were able to watch this video to this point, thank you so much. Okay, I appreciate you. So the next step I'm going to be doing, guys, is just to apply the makeup seal in face spray, okay, to set the whole face. So that is what I'm going to be doing right now. So that is it, guys, for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you love this look. So don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what you love about this makeup look. If there's any question you want to ask, don't forget to also drop it in the comment section. Okay, so this is my bride, and here is Okuku and makeup done by yours truly. So guys, thank you all for watching. Thank you for your support. Don't forget, like I said earlier, to hit that red subscribe button to join this amazing family. Okay, so I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.